I just got funded. I received my email yesterday and I'm officially a funded trader. I want to share with you guys my experience as a funded and as not funded trader. I use Funding Pips as a prop firm. The first thing that I want to talk about is exactly the average win and average loss. I have average win of $360 and average loss of $120. That makes average risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3, excuse me. And my win ratio is exactly 44%. If I go downside to see my trades, you can see that I have two profitable huge trades that makes me funded, and I just started with one small profit, then loss, 4 consecutive losses, and then after that 2 straight wins. And I just want to share with you my experience, what I have done. So these trades are from 5th November 2025. So my entry point was right there. In my opinion, that the chart should be as simplified as possible, and as you can see, I don't have any indicators like this. I don't use this lower high, lower lows, change of character, and blah 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 blah, some ICT trading stupid things I can trade. And what else? So I choose MACD for conversions, divergence, and hidden divergence, and EMA20. And my simple rule is, when I'm above EMA20, I should look for longs. When I'm below EMA20, I should look for shorts. In this case, I just see that the price has one strong bullish uptrend bar that goes above EMA20, then 1-2 bars cannot engulf the last bullish bar, then this exactly right there. So let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so this right there, exactly this bar is one rising star. Rising star is a bar formation that have one downside wick, then upper body. So the bears have started momentum, but the bulls have taken control and just pushed the price higher. This is a rising star. If you don't know, you can Google it. And that is the reason for my entry. After a couple of bars, there is nothing happen. But if I put a high on this bullish bar and a low of this bullish bar, so this is my entry. Let me change the color to, let's say, green, because it's a winning one. I just enter into another long position after a couple of hours. So the first one is 8 o'clock, open date and 4. Okay, so I just enter into 2 positions. Why the 2 positions? Because I see that this position is winning, and one of the things that I have remembered when all the profitable traders say, add to your winning, not to your losing trades. So I just added a winning trade, and as you can see, the price just goes upwards. Put my stop loss below this wall. This is exactly like everyone do, and I just have wait the price to push higher. I did one mistake, and this one mistake was that I have closed my position too early. Why too early? Because as you can see, this was the bottom. Yes, this was the bottom right there, and the trend just uptrend follows. I closed my position exactly at price 67, which is 67, exactly right there. Yes, I just closed. Let me just make it okay. I just closed my position right there, and as you can see, the potential of this movement was even higher. And after I close my position, I have to make another trade that was a losing trade, then another winning trade to pass my challenge. But the main reason for passing the fast one account right there was that I have managed to catch the bottom after after I have just followed my strategy. My strategy is very simple, as I told you, above EMA 20, above EMA 20, one confirmation bar, which is a rising star, and just the trade falls upside. So this was the first one account, student account. Let me talk about the second one, which is practitioner. I have made average win $180 and average was $53. That makes average win risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3, which is good for me, and with 50% win ratio I just passed this challenge, the second one, the first two. You see I have 3 winners that are above $200 and 1, 2, 3, 4 losers that are below $100. So my largest loss was 1.5 point my smallest profit. This right here, I don't count this because it's a very, you see I opened this trade on 3 o'clock and 1 minute after that I just closed this. The first trade on 7th November 2025, I just closed this trade too early, and because of that I didn't pass the challenge at the first. Okay, so this was my first trade on gold. I just wake up and see that the price just makes a higher highs and a higher lows, and right there I have one this is one hidden bullish divergence from this low to this higher low, and the price just follows as just starting to trending upsides. The main thing for this one position was because I have this one strong bullish momentum bar to the upside, close above EMA 20, then 1-2 bars cannot engulf the last bullish bar. After that I have another bullish trending bar above this high, and yes, I was sleeping at it, but then after I have made my analysis I just want to enter into this position. So right there I have entered long. Probably I put my stop loss below this wall right there, and my take profit was exactly what take profit was at $4,014. So my take profit was $14 right there, and so this is my stop loss. Let's make it red. This take profit, let's make it blue, cause on the MetaTrader 5 that doesn't matter. I just closed my position earlier at $4,005, which is there. So this makes 1.5 of my trade, and after this the price just hit my take profit right there, and go to the downside. I felt very embarrassing about this. I could be funded, and after this I have made 1, 2, 3 losing trades, then 1 winning, 1 losing, and then another winning position. I could be funded on, let's say this was my first trade, so I have at least minimum 3 trading days, 7th, 8th, 9th. I have funded at 12, so 3 more days and have taken too much risk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. So 7 more trades that could go wrong, or I don't know. And the main reason for this is that I don't waiting the price to just hit my take profit, and that was the reason that I have blown up so many accounts. So you can see right there, this is one of my violated account. You see losing, winning, a very big losing trade, and then a couple of losing trades. And yeah, as as a conclusion for my future trading on my master account, which is created on 12 November 2025, I can say that I would take less risk, but if I take a big risk and I'm winning on this risk, just let to the price go in my direction. For example, if I'm long, if I'm above EMA 20, if I don't have any conversions, diversions and whatever else, I should not close my position without a clear example of an exit. If this trade is going to go higher, why higher? You see, I have entered into a right direction, and after a retest right there, I can have entered into another long position. But this time, you see the price just pumped up a lot. You see, and if I catch, for example, this low right there, so you don't know that this is low, but in the future maybe it can be. And if I was funded and I open a position right there and close it right there should be a lot of regret in myself, a lot of regret. Because in the funded account there is no maximal profit required. So if I enter into a long position with 1 lot, or with what have I entered right there? I have entered with 0.32, that is 1/3 of the lot. So okay, if I have entered into a long position on funded account right there, I measure this from there, is $177, $100 times million three. I would have made $5,900 that I have to, that is exactly 50% account increasement. If I just enter into a long position, was right, and just closed when the market structure shift appears. That's it. Okay. Oh, yeah guys, I am very excited. Subscribe, like this video, and just follow me to see what will happen next. Bye bye.